What's up, YouTube? So we're working on a 2019 BMW X3 X-Drive 3.0 all-wheel drive, yada yada yada, and it's got a trouble code for the shutter, which is basically an air dam shutter in the front of the vehicle. So we ordered the parts from BMW, which is the shutter motor and the shutter assembly. And this is what I mean by parts guys suck, they don't read. Here's your BMW dealership parts guy that didn't advise us that the new shutter assembly comes with a new motor. You think that would be important for him to tell me or the people who are calling to get parts prices and ordering it? Yeah, dude. Why would you want to order a part that no one needs? If the shutter assembly comes with a motor, hey, Mr. So-and-so, did you know that the new shutter assembly comes with a new motor, so you don't need that? Now I have to take that new shutter motor and return it to the BMW dealership because he doesn't know how to do his job 100%. So Caleb's in the process of taking the front grille out. Oh, does that go just behind the grille?
No, the whole bumper has to come off.
The whole bumper has to come off. Sweet. Thanks for watching.